Hello guys, welcome to Quick Tutorials. In this video, I want to show you some error that just occurred this morning on YouTube. You can see there is no YouTube monetization option anymore. There's no way you can turn on monetization on your video. This is just the different problem that we have right here now. So sorry. You can see, I don't know what to do, but we have to wait because I think it's due to update from the YouTube. It's scary, like make one feel like, oh man, am I being demonetized? But no, it's not actually that way. I think we'll get it back no matter what. So let's wait. You can see there's no more option to turn it on.
Oh no.
So even I check on computer, on my PC, there was still no option. It's all the same. So we'll see what's happened. And keep watching. Thank you.